You have to wait in line to go see a home these days of whatever property that's active on the market. Let's go ahead and unpack that. Hey everyone, this is Zaid Hanna with the Hanna Group here at Real Estate 38, and we always start with what's active in the market. We have 413 total actives. That is an increase of about 60 to 70 units. At the same time, we have 238 pending. So the pending column did drop to low 200s, and it's actually slowly climbing up. So what's really happening in the real estate market today? So buyers are active. Buyers have woken up after all the holidays. New buyers are also entering the market and saying, hey, I think I'm ready to buy a home because the interest rates are a little bit more friendly. We're no longer at 7.5%, we're at 6.25%, in some cases 6%. So we're seeing a lot of people showing up to our listings. They're actually 2 to 3 at any given time waiting outside to actually see the property. And we're averaging 40, 50, 60 people through the open houses during the weekend. So what does that really mean? Remember, January, February, and March are the strongest months for appreciations because that's when everybody's back in the market while the inventory is still low. 413 is still very low. So we're getting a lot of offers. That's when we go up 4, 5, 6%. We did that last year. We did that pretty much almost past 13 years. If you're in the market, you're looking to enter, you better get in there sooner because you are going to pay more for the same home in March. And yes, hint, hint, seller, if you're thinking about selling, spring is the market. And actually, this is teeing up to be the right season yet again for you if you're thinking about selling. If you're thinking about entering the market, feel free to reach out, 408-515-1613, and we'll be happy to guide you through this process. Bye-bye now.